Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing a useful tool for calculating prices per pound to prices per metric ton, which can be extremely helpful for individuals and businesses working with bulk commodities. If you're interested in learning more about this topic, keep watching. What is a price per pound to price per metric ton calculator? A price per pound to price per metric ton calculator is a tool that helps convert the price of a bulk commodity from price per pound to price per metric ton. This is especially useful for industries that purchase and sell goods in large quantities, such as agriculture, mining, and manufacturing. The importance of converting prices per pound to prices per metric ton. One of the biggest advantages of converting prices per pound to prices per metric ton is that it helps businesses make better decisions when it comes to buying and selling bulk commodities. By converting prices to a standardized unit, it becomes easier to compare prices between different suppliers and commodities. Another advantage of using a price per pound to price per metric ton calculator is that it can help businesses save money. By understanding the true cost of goods on a per unit basis, businesses can make more informed purchasing decisions and negotiate better prices with their suppliers. How to use a price per pound to price per metric ton calculator. Using a price per pound to price per metric ton calculator is relatively straightforward. First, you need to determine the current price of the commodity you're interested in purchasing or selling. This is typically expressed in price per pound. Once you have the price per pound, you can use a calculator to convert it to price per metric ton. Simply input the price per pound into the calculator, and it will automatically convert the price to price per metric ton. The resulting figure is a standardized unit that can be used to compare prices between different suppliers and commodities. Conclusion. In conclusion, using a price per pound to price per metric ton calculator can be extremely helpful for businesses working with bulk commodities. By converting prices to a standardized unit, businesses can compare prices more easily and make more informed purchasing decisions. If you're working in an industry that deals with bulk commodities, we highly recommend using a price per pound to price per metric ton calculator to streamline your operations and improve your bottom line. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.